Hi everyone, my name is Gigi and welcome to my channel. For today's project, we are going to recycle this cardigan into a beautiful pillowcase. So what we need is a glue gun and this old sweater or cardigan. So let's start our project by inserting this pillow into inside the cardigan and make sure it fit in properly. Stretch it properly and make sure it's not lopsided, and then put pins on the edge of the cardigan or sweater. And the reason why I'm doing this, putting pins, is so that the pillow doesn't move when I start putting the glue. Now put glue on the edge of the cardigan, as you can see. And when you use glue gun, please be very careful not to burn yourself, because I have done that a lot of time. So please be very careful. Put glue all the way and try to put a good amount of glue so that it doesn't come off. As you can see, this kind of project is very easy and simple. However, I'm doing this to show you and encourage you to please recycle your old stuff. Not just this cardigan or sweater, all the things that you're not using, you can make good use of it by recycling them. You can make them as a pillowcase, you can make them as a cover of a chair. You know, you can, how do you call that? Measure them and use glue gun to recycle them. As you can see, I just glue on the edge. What happened is, make sure that it fit in. You know, you don't even have to cut it, because you might want to reuse again as a sweater when you don't feel like using it as a pillowcase. You can still make it as a top. Yeah, well, of course you cannot make it a sweater anymore because you have to cut off the sleeve. But you can still use it as a top, maybe. And guys, the reason why I'm doing this is just to show you that instead of throwing your old stuff or keeping it there and leave it to collect dust, why not recycle it and make good use of it? Just like this cardigan. Actually, I got lots of these because my friend Sarah gave me a lot of stuff. They're still new, but I cannot use all of them. So I take it all out and try to make good use of it by making a pillowcase. People think, or even they ask me, why don't you just buy a pillowcase? It's very cheap. But that's besides the point. I know everyone can just buy a pillowcase, but my point here is to encourage each and every one of you to recycle your stuff instead of just throwing it away. Because if everyone has that mentality of just keep on buying and just dumping it, then what's gonna happen to our mother nature, right? It's been flooded with all the rubbish. And that's why we're having this issue of global warming, because of us. So please try to recycle your stuff. and make good use of it. Let's try to save our planet. You see, this is almost done. It's very easy and simple to recycle things. This is just giving you an idea on how to recycle your stuff. I know everyone can do this. Just get your glue gun and just glue on the edges with the hole, and that's it. As you can see what I'm doing now. So please, I hope that I could at least inspire someone out there to recycle their stuff. See, it's done. Now we have to do the other side. There were someone who asked me a question if the glue doesn't come out. During the use, to be honest with you, I never experienced that the pillow or the cushion that I made last time came or puff out. You have to use a bit of force when you want to wash it and remove the glue. And yes, you have to remove the glue before you put in the washing or you wash it, and then you have to glue it back. It takes you only 5 minutes. 5 minutes of work for saving our planet. That's all you need. And that's it. It's almost done. Just put a glue more, a bit more. It's just making sure I have to put a lot of glue. And that's it. There you go. And now this is the outcome of all the cardigan that I made. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.